Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Find the limit of this rational function as x approaches infinity by focusing on the highest powers. Let's solve this together now. First, we look at the numerator and denominator to identify the highest degree terms. We do not need to expand everything, just multiply the leading terms in each set of parentheses. In the numerator, 6x times negative 2x gives us negative 12x squared. In the denominator, 3x times x gives us 3x squared. These are our dominant terms. Since degrees are both 2, divide the coefficients. Negative 12 divided by 3 equals negative 4. Option A is the final answer. Well done! Option A is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and follow the steps for success.